Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how quickly and safely you can deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. Head into Facebook, then tap on the menu icon at the top right-hand corner. Once you are on the menu page, tap on the settings icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now you would see an option called Account Center. Just tap on where it says See More in Account Center. After that, tap on where it says Personal Details, then click on where it says Account Ownership and Control. Once you are on this page, tap on where it says Deactivation or Deletion, then just select your Facebook account. Now you have the option to deactivate your account, which is temporary. Simply tap Continue. Now you have to re-enter your Facebook password for security purposes. After that, click on Continue. Okay, on the next page, you have to select a reason why you are deactivating your account and then click Continue. Now finally, you have the option to deactivate your account. Note you can simply restore your account by simply logging back into it if you choose the deactivated option. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, share and leave a like on the video.